This conference will now be recorded.
Now we are discussing about how to copy or create your own sales document type, item category, and schedule lines. Okay. Now I'm going to create our own sales document type. So for this one, we have a path. Also, we have a T code /n Vivo V8. Vivo V8 is a transaction for the sales document types. We can see all the sales document types, let's say inquiry, quotation, order, written orders. See all the sales document types we can see here. See, as I told you, like inquiry, quotation, okay, and standard document type or the document type is OR. So we can see all the sales document types here. Let's say these are all the standard. So I'm going to create our own sales document type. So for this one, I'm going to select this one and I'll click on copy. So what I'm doing here is selecting the standard and copy this one. I'll rename it OR to ZOR and I will change the description to what I can give is test standard order. Okay, and I press enter. So the pop-up message, when as soon as possible I press enter, system giving a pop-up message says that dependent entries for copy control. So the system is saying that do you want to copy the relevant copy control information? If you want to copy the background, background information which is assigned to or related to this OR document, you can click on yes. If you do not want to copy the background, only copy this particular document type, then you can press no. I don't want to copy the background copying controls. This time I'm going to press no. Okay, I just wanted to copy only this particular entry. See, ZOR has been copied, OR to ZOR and the name. Now I'm going to save this one. So whenever we are going to save, we'll get a customized request number. That means this particular changes is going to save under this transport request number. Now I'm going to click on continue. Click on continue. So this is a way to create your own sales document type. Once you create a sales document type, then you have to go for item category. What's the T code to create the item category is Vivo V7. So this is a sequence. That is why I'm giving you the T codes. Enter the Vivo V7. Now we'll see the list of item categories. We can see inquiry item category and quotation item category, sales order item category. What is the standard item category? Which is TAN. So these are standard item category. So now I'm copying the TAN and creating my own item category. Select the line item and click on copy. Make this to ZTAN based on your client requirement. And the description also based on your client requirement. Just I'm making it as test standard. Now, this also same pop-up message. Do you want to copy the copy control in the background? Item category ZTAN test standard item. Is this entry also relevant for copying control? No, it is not relevant for copying control. So I said, and then save it. And then click on continue. Okay, these are the tables copying. Yes, click on copy. Then after. So I have copied item category and make this as a Z tan to Z tan. And then after is a schedule line. What is the transaction for schedule line? Is Vivo V6. See, maintain schedule line categories. These are all the different schedule lines that we can see in SAP for the different business processes. So there are two schedule lines that we generally use, CN and CP. CN is no planning and CP is a planning. Let's do one thing. I'm going to copy the CN and make my own schedule line. So select the line item, click on copy. CN I'm going to make is a ZN, and then I'll make this one as TEST test. Now I'm on. I don't want to copy background copy controls. Number of entries copied 1. I'm going to save it. The transport request come up here and click on continue. So I have copied sales document type, OR to ZOR, item category, TAN to ZTAN, and schedule line, CN to ZTN. Now, the next step is item category determination. The item category determination, the transaction is VO V4. Press enter. This is a very much important interview question. There is a combination. Based on this combination, this default item category would be determined in your sales document line item. Okay, what the combination is? If I click the new entry, sales document type. What is the sales document type? That just now we copied it, which is ZOR. And item category group. Item category group is copying from the material master for the standard, which is NORM now. And usage no need to maintain. Higher level item category no need to maintain for ZTAN. So the system is saying that an entry already existing with the same key. So I just want to skip it, and now I wanted to go back again. I want to go back again. Now I would like to find out, is this entry already exist? Let's see, ZOR and NO or NOM. Press enter. See, I can see ZOR plus NOM. I can find, system can find the TAN item category. The standard already maintained here. Let's say I don't want to come TAN. I wanted to enter, rename it to ZTAN TAN. See, system took the entry. There is no error message coming in the top. So ZTAN, whenever you create a sales order for this document type, item category ZTAN would be determined automatically. Like, you can save it now. Now save it. And next, item category determination is done. Then schedule line determination. What is the T code for schedule line determination? VO V5. Schedule line determination is also schedule line also determines based on the combination. What is the combination? If I look enter the new entries, item category. What is our item category? Which is ZTA and TAN. And what is the MRP type? MRP type would be determined from material master MRP use. There are two MRP types. One is ND and the PD. Now I'm maintaining ND. So the proposed schedule line would be that I have created, which is CN. So system says that for this combination also entry available. Let's skip it and go back. Let's find it out. To find it, click on the position. Item category is ZTA and TAN, and MRP type is END, and click on continue. So in this combination, we have a schedule line maintained. So I'm going to change the schedule line to ZN. You can change it. So now whenever you create a sales order, the schedule line will be determined, that is a ZN. So I'm going to save it and click on continue. Yes, that's it for now. Thanks.